Split pipe flanges let you repair or adapt a toilet drain without replacing the whole drain pipe, saving time and avoiding invasive cuts. Split flanges are two-piece rings that clamp around an existing soil pipe when the pipe end is rough, corroded, or already cemented in place. Start by cleaning the pipe exterior and dry it thoroughly so the flange seats squarely. Remove any loose debris or old sealant so the halves mate evenly. Place the two halves around the pipe and align the bolt slots with the toilet flange bolt holes on the floor, making sure the seam sits where you can access it later. Use stainless steel or corrosion-resistant screws to draw the halves together evenly, alternating screws so one side does not pull tighter than the other and cause a gap. Position any identified weak points or factory splits toward the back of the toilet toward the wall, so future removal can be done from the rear without disturbing the finished floor at the front. Finally, check for a snug, gap-free fit by running a gloved hand around the joint and then install your wax ring or wax-free seal. Follow the manufacturer guidance for compression depth before setting the bowl. Common issues include an uneven clamped fit that causes rocking or leaks. Correct this by loosening screws and reseating the halves, then tighten gradually and retest for snugness. Another frequent problem is placing the split seam at the front, which makes future removal difficult. Avoid that by orienting the seam to the rear when you first install it. A third concern is relying on only a single screw, or cheap fasteners, which can shear or corrode. Use multiple corrosion-resistant screws and torque them evenly so the flange stays stable under load. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for toilet flange repair and contractors who do that work, so we make it easier to find someone nearby. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare installation approaches.